Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Superflow with your Framer project. Next, get your Framer URL and paste it here. Now copy this code snippet and get ready to head over to your Framer settings. In your settings, navigate to custom code section, paste the code snippet in the end of body tag section. Finally, publish your Framer project to make sure the changes go live. And that's it. Feel free to leave a comment anywhere you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.